Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making paper cymbal toy or clapping toy. It is a simple model and you will enjoy playing with it. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. Keeping the white side on the top, I'll be starting with the plus crease. Then do the cross crease. Make sharp crease lines to get the neat end product. Now bring these two sides to the center crease to create a cupboard base. Open the flaps and repeat the same thing on the other side too. Open the flap and turn the paper. Keep the color side on the top and bring all corners to the center point to create a blind space. We are done with all the pre-creasing. Now let's collapse the paper into windmill base. For that, bring two sides to the center crease. Then collapse the model as shown. Let's work with these two flaps. Lift this flap and fold it as shown. Repeat the same thing with the other side too. Then fold back the triangle like this. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now let's work with these two flaps. Fold it as shown, then make the crease mark. Then open the flap and do the inside reverse fold, which means on the same crease line we'll be folding the flap inside. Draw the features of the puppet. Make a diagonal fold here. Then bring these two corners to the center point. Bring these flaps together and make a pinch on both sides. Origami cymbal puppet is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.